Good morning. We're on colorful buildings. Malayo lang to sa old quarter. Venice Inn. Look at my butt. The mall, it's very hot. It's really like European. House man lang na to. Huh? Thank God they're done. Kumot? Thank you so much. This is the train street. It's yummy. It's pure. Kumusta mo na-experience train street? Bad. St. Joseph Cathedral. So, good morning, Vietnam. Currently, nandito na kami sa hotel from Sapa. So, this is the breakfast dining area nila. Let's see what they have. Good morning. I'll have this one. I'll try the bacon. I'll try bacon. I'll try this one. Then I'll get this one. This for here. For the bread. So we can add here pala. We can add here some. I want omelette also. Here. There's no onion, right? Not bad ilang breakfast, huh? Not bad. That kind of good. Okay, later again we will just finish our breakfast first. Bye. Bye. Good morning. We're on our way to Mega World. So, we're currently here at the lobby of our hotel.
685.27.
Nana siya sa bus?
Wala.
Oh, layo pa siya. I think it's a 30-minute drive. I mean 30-minute via Grab. We booked via Grab. It's 400 pesos. But we are 4, so divided by 4, okay na rin. Mega World is like Europe vibe. Something like that. May ano yung parang Vatican. Venice. Venice pala. Like something like Venice. May ano kasi parang may sapa sa gitna. Tapos pwede kang sumakay ng boat doon. Then I will show it to you guys later. Okay, bye-bye for now. Oh, bye. Okay. So I'm outside now. We are waiting sa Grab. By the way, this is the hotel. I think ilang beses ko na siyang minention. They are inside. Oh, so our ride is here. 30E? Yes, we are going to Mega World. In front of the hotel, parang may temple something. Madaming pumapasok. 30E, 687.97. 0.97 kanino? Oh, so he is here, our Grab for today. So, good morning.
Good morning.
So, we're off to Mega World. So, we're here at Mega World. It's 8:54 a.m. Look at the view, guys. So, pupunta kami dun sa may Venice Canal, whatsoever. Basta pupunta kami dun. Yeah, look at that colorful buildings. Medyo malayo lang to sa Old Quarter. Hi, Pao! Mga, yun, 30 minutes nga yung travel namin. 400 yung Grab car. So, bababa kami here. Naganda? Ay, nada diri. The elevator, guys, it's sick. It's amazing. Okay, we're here. That's okay. Thank you. That's the bridge, guys. Mura siyang Macau, no? Macau colorful. Okay, let's go. Pag pumunta kayo ng Hanoi, don't forget to include this to your itinerary. It's one for the books. And look how beautiful it is. Tania.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Hiyan.
Hiyan. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So, siya yung nag-take ng picture sa amin. 10,000 per picture. Pero ang dami niyang tinake. Like 12. Tapos yung pinabayaran niya is 30,000 lang. Sorry, hindi ako nagsasali. Hindi ako nakaharap. Ayun, 30,000 lang yung binayaran namin. Ang daming picture.
Nahurot akong sinsiyo.
Ang ganda ng camera niya, pero ang bigat nun. I think that's worth 100K or more or less 200,000 yung lens. So, look at this, the Venice. Venice in... Wait lang eh. Iinitan ako. 20 pesos lang per picture. Meron din ito sa Manila, di ba? Sa Venice. Pero, mas malawak to. Hi! Welcome to Mega World, Hanoi! You just need to use translator para magkaintindihan kayo. Kasi hindi Mega World. Pwede mo sunod na sa aircon sa dito, oh, pwede sumakay dito. Kaso close pa ngayon. Ito yung tinatawag nila na water taxi. Look at my back. I mean, look at the back, not my back. Look at this place. 9:25 AM pa. Close pa yung mga tindahan dito. May mga Adidas dito, like ano pa ba? Mga coffee shop. Then what else? Shine, the Swan. Hindi ko mabasa, naka-Vietnamese. Look at this place. Oh, this place, this street is nice. May mga drinks here. They have banh mi also. Buko again. We will sit here. Sasakay daw kami ng water taxi. Masakay ta? Dili ka ng gawa siya.
No discount?
So, it's 150,000 dong daw per person. In peso na sa 300. Do you want to visit and experience the most beautiful? By boat, 13 minutes. That's 150. So, karon init pa. What do you think? We will decide later. We're gonna have some coffee first and room around. Thank you so much. Okay. So, mag-room around muna kami dito. I think papunta doon. So, mag-room around muna kami. Ha? Saan mall? Sige, let's go to the mall. It's very hot. Ako naganahan ako sa picture, nice. Oh, sa river. Pwede ra. Sige, pwede ra. So, we will gonna take some picture first here at the river. Using the background, the colorful buildings here. It's really like European vibe. It's good to the eyes.
It's good to the budget.
And it's good to the budget also. Just prepare the budget, okay? But it's cheap lang naman. Okay, bye for now. I will, my photographer job is coming again. Bye-bye. Huh?
I don't know how to control it.
Ay, na. Onya, half body.
Try to slow down the
Half body. Ikaw, cool, wala kay half body. Naglingkod ka man.
Okay na siya.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Kabalo ka, nindot ang ako ang lens sa half body. Katong isang lens. House man lang na to.
Okay na to eh.
Ang akong picture nice
Oh,
lang.
nice.
We'll just decide later. We'll go back to you. Thank you. So tapos na kami dito. We will go na to. Magmo-mall na kami.
Hello?
So magmo-malling daw muna kami kasi sobrang init dito. Dito kami nag-wait. Mag-grab ulit kami. Punta kami sa Vincon Mall.
Putay, puta.
Ay, picturean ta mo. Picturean sa tamo. Picturean sa tamo. Barong sa gamay. 1, 2, 3, go. So our Grab is here. This is a different vibe sa Old Quarter. Modern na dito. Hello. So we're here. Seatbelt on. Okay. Bye for now.
Kami sa picture pa. Tanaw kami kamay.
Bye for now. Mapalit si Love. Mapalit mo. So we're here at the mall na. Awesome.
Salam?
Ambot lang. Di ko sure.
Ikaw po, palit na lang po ka.
Ha?
Palit man siya.
Niya, sige magpangatol sa akong ulo.
Sana lang to. Okay, cut.
For the show. So mga spray ni
Wala na ba ito ba?
Disney. That's Disney, 99,000 dong. Nail art. 200 rin na. That's 200 pesos.
Kani?
Yeah, 99,000. 229. So what's this? Lilith Eve, Loss of Innocence. It's like berry, something berry. Fruity. Not my type. How about the morning devotion?
Kani ang vanilla benching.
Not so.
Ano vanilla no?
Yeah, vanilla, pero isog siya nga vanilla.
Hindi ka, spray mo lang. Mas spread.
How about this one? Dream of Heaven. Lilith and Eve. Floral, fruity, something like that. This one. First Peaceful Summer Series Maker Perfume. Let's check. I didn't smell anything. I think it's so mild. Oh, that's classic. Yeah, that's classic. Wow, it's nice. How much? It's 368, so more or less nasa 650. Mga ganun. Okay, so I'm gonna stop recording now. We are just here at Awesome, here at Vincon Mall in Hanoi. Then, let's see kung saan kami ulit pupunta later. But I will record later kung ano yung mga pinamili nila. Just for documentation. Okay, bye-bye! Bunchings out! Awesome. Lalabas na muna ako. Just wait outside. May upuan naman here. Kasi medyo masakit na yung paa ko. So I'll just wait here. Upo naman ako dito. Then I'll wait for them to finish what they are doing. Yan, this is awesome. Thank God they're done. Hindi kami nagtagal dun sa Mega World kasi sobrang init. Maganda din dun paggabi. Pero sobrang init talaga. So they are done. Pilatanan in peso. So nagkwenta na sila mga nagastos. 1 million daw yung kay Pao. 1 million yung nagastos niya here.
Kangkuhan na lang. Mama na lang ako wala na palit. Ako di open.
Ako wala akong binili. Ming Hoy. Pero inaantok ko, tingnan niyo yung mata ko. Oo, itim na. Sayang. Umot? So, nakita na namin yung grocery nila. This is Winmart. Nasa level 2. We're gonna go inside. Oh, sure na ka, malit ka. Nagkuhan like a basket. So, hindi pa sila tapos. Huwag niyong pakyawin. So, we're done. Tingnan mo yung pinamili nila. There's a lot. I only bought one piece. Dili, oy, dito mo ulit hotel mo. Diretso tag Train Street. Dito mo ulit. Is I saw something. Yeah, look at this. This is my store. This is my restaurant. This is my restaurant. Van Van Shakaketre. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly. KFC na lang? Okay, go. So, KFC na lang daw kami. Sige, order na. So, I ordered spaghetti only. I don't feel like eating rice. And I added some tart. And thank you. Spaghetti, tart.
Kandi choco daw niya mo. Kani no?
Let's try. Try natin yung spaghetti nila kung ganun pa rin. Spaghetti pa rin yung lasa. Let's try the spaghetti if lasang spaghetti. Okay. Okay lang. So I'm gonna try the egg tart now. Let's see what it tastes. It's same sa Macau. Egg tart, KFC, Hanoi. Oh, oily. Okay naman. Siguro 4 out of 10 yung egg tart. Oily masyado. Masarap pa din yung sa Leonas na egg tart. Okay, bye. So, we're out. Babalik muna kami sa hotel. Kasi madami silang binili. Wala naman akong binili. I'll just bring myself. Nara OC oh. OC, adire OC. Okay, so we're here. Nandito na yung Grab namin. Of course, in the front. Hello. Seatbelt on. We're good. Hello! It's 2 p.m. here. So we're here. Malapit lang daw sa hotel namin. So this is the place. Lotus Tea. 100. Ay, sana mo? Ay, sana garlic ka siya? Patilo daw kung na-free taste na.
Can they taste the garlic?
It's free. Yeah,
Free taste. Garlic flavor. Coffee flavor. Ano pa oh? Yummy. Imuhaman ka ng coffee.
No, it's yours.
Excuse ko pa, umagi ko. Kanilang, I'll get this one. Do we have discount?
Yeah.
5 to 10%.
Wow.
So 5 to 10% discount. So let's check matcha.
Go, Ate Banji.
So let's check. So this is a green tea, the teapot. We're just nearby. Anyway, if I will need more, we'll just go here. So you'll give me discount?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And for your client, 430, I'm making the discount for you.
Okay.
You see that? The 10% is 43, right? I make it for 50.
Wow,
Yeah,
thank
for
you.
380.
Okay, thank you so much.
It's by your card.
I'll pay Visa. So 10% 43,000 dong, ginawa niyang 50. Thank you so much. Come on. Thank you. So ito na, nakabili na kami. Here. Okay, let's go. Beef. Who?
Yeah. Pork.
We're gonna try it tomorrow.
That has beef, pork,
Everyone want to try transfer, but it's too hot.
Ah, it's too hot. Ah, okay, okay, it's too hot. Too hot now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Look around.
Thank you. Thank you. Hello. So, maleta hunting. Dito pala kami bibili ng nuts, tsaka yung matcha with jasmine here. Diyan. Diyan. Sobrang bait ng nandun sa loob. Excuse ko pa. 250 diri. Katong gipalit ni Kulba. 70 ra. 250 diri, mas mahal diri. 70.
Consider the soap na. Ganaan ko, sir, na. Ma-prank ka pa fine.
Ano ko'y panyo na po? So, pabalik na kami ng hotel. Kasi pupunta kami sa Train Street later around 3 p.m. Yung train daw is dumadaan ng pag weekend is may 5:30 p.m. May 5:30 p.m. Okay, so malapit na kami sa hotel. I'll just see you guys later. So, papunta kami sa Train Street. It's 3:50 p.m. Using the Google Map kasi hindi lumabas yung street sa maps. I'm using the Grab map kasi hindi lumabas yung street sa map. Turn left. Left. Wait lang. I think kana nga street. Kana. Napahayag. So we need to labang. Okay, careful. Malapit na kami. Hanoi Railway. So we're here. So you can see we are here. Turn left. So wala namang nag-approach. So we'll go here. This way. This part of the track. This is the train street. It's so init. Hindi na kami mag-picture dito. Nag-picture na kami last time. So, pili og cafe.
Look what happens when I have one.
So, choose here. Ay noodles dari oh. Dito ta? Asa ta? Dari ta? Saman? Kani 4?
Because it's very dangerous.
Okay.
Huh?
Nice ang view dari. Saman? What time the train? 5?
5:40.
5:30. 5:30 and 6. 2. Ah, okay. Okay. Sige ko. So, nandito kami. Hindi ko na-video anong naman nito. So, mag-order muna kami. Wala sila food. So, dito kami. Tapos dyan dadaan yung train. So, mag-order muna kami, guys. And I'll tell you kung ano yung in-order namin later. Okay? Bye for now. Can you repeat the order?
Our orders, all.
Okay. 1 pho with beef, 1 yogurt with mango, 1 avocado smoothie, 1 soft cake.
Thank you. So, yun na lahat yung order namin. So, we'll just wait sa order namin. Ito yung front niya. Yan yung front niya. Madami nagpipicture. Beer na siya.
Mau na lang to? Makapunit siya. Punit to.
So, mga ni mango. Okay? Kana salt caramel. May avocado na. Avocado smoothie. Let's see if this is yummy. Thank you.
Pho.
Avocado.
Can you buy now?
That's the book.
Can you buy now?
Okay.
365.
Will pay now daw?
Wait, magpipay muna ako. Mine is 190. Mine is 90. Mine is 90 dong. I will pay muna.
Okay, wait for me.
Okay, sure.
Wait
So,
for me daw. 80 ha? Wait for me daw. Balik na siya.
oh, I have enough. I have just exact amount.
Kuha sa banjang. Sa pera mo
So I have 50, 20 and 20, 20, 90, 90, 80 mo ha? 80. Oh,
Nakay 5.
wala 5. So this is 200.
80 ako, exact amount.
100 lagi mong gihatag, 80.
That's 10.
100 na. 10 na.
10 na.
Okay. Magbugo ko sa ilang kwarto. 20, 100, that's 300. So 85, 20,
Yeah,
40, 65.
Yeah.
40, 65.
Bakit tag 5?
Okay, wait.
5. Okay. So,
Sige na siya,
akala ko 100,000, 10,000 pala yun. Malaki kasi yung pera nila dito. Dito lang kami nagiging milyonarya.
It's yummy. The yogurt is yummy.
Malamod akong white plus. So, this is the avocado smoothie. Let's try. May kutsara sila nilagay. Parang feeling ko walang mga milk or something. Kasi parang green talaga siya. Try ko.
Mahulog din nakuha pa. 5 oh. 5. Ati ba? Baging ka tala.
5,000. Thank you.
Bigyan ng jacket ka.
Oh, it's yummy. It's pure. Like there's just a little bit of sugar.
Ơi, cô tặng cho bà 2 quả này. 2 cái thìa nhá.
Kuha daw ni.
Nakakabusog. Masarap naman siya. 90,000 dong in peso 200, almost 200 mga ganun. It's good. Yung cafe na to, may mga foods din sila dito. So, pwedeng hindi lang drinks yung i-order nyo. Pwede rin kayo mag-order ng food, okay? Uy, nonchalant full pao. Peace out. So apparently nandito na yung train, 4:27 pa.
Asa dote?
It's coming na, the train is coming. The train is coming. The train is coming. Oh, here pala, on this side. Swerte si Pao. The train is coming. Oh, it's here, it's here. It's here. It's here. It's here. Look, it's here. Oh no. Finally here. Woo! It's gone. It's amazing. Dumaan na yung train. So amazing. Ang ganda. Maka-experience ng ganun dito sa Hanoi. Sa TikTok lang namin yung nakikita sa mga video na ina-upload ng mga tao. But now, we've experienced it ourselves. Ang aga niya, dumaan ng 4:30. May 5 PM pa.
Lasay, para medyo maka.
Yan, kumusta man na-experience Train Street, Pao? Nice? Kumusta man na-experience Train Street?
Okay.
Nice? Parang home along Dariles. Yeah? It's like Home Along the Relis. Batang 90s, I really like Home Along the Relis. So it's really nice, okay? I'm gonna check my video. Bye for now. Binigyan kami nila.
Nawala tanangoan kay too many.
Binigyan sila. Binigyan kami nila ng isa. Siguro nakita nila kasi yung gusto namin is maliit na pieces lang. That's right. Binigyan kami nung kaharap namin. So we'll try, ha? Look at this.
Hanto diri makaluluoy
Thank you! Yan, sila. Mabait. Binigyan tayo nito at itry natin kung ano yung lasa niya. Like shakoy something. Ganun pirmi ako taga, nagkakaawa kong dagoy. Sorry. Kasi nung sa plane, binigyan din ako ng pagkain. Hindi kasi ako bumili. Nung katabi namin, binigyan din ako ng pagkain. Tapos ngayon, binigyan din ako ng pagkain. Sa akin pa talaga nilalapit. So, try natin.
Kawawa ko sa dagoy.
But I'm thankful.
Kasi yummy.
May laman siya sa loob. Look.
Dapat ko itong picture ganyan na pa. Tinaw daw ko?
Lalakapit ka na. Para siyang hindi tinapay, para siyang mochi, chewy. Chewy siya, masarap naman. Hindi siya bread. Chewy siya. Buchi. Oh, buchi.
Hindi mo katilaw binangkal.
Dili lahi siya, buchi siya. Dili siya binangkal. Dilawe. Na siya pala man sa sulod.
Samot na dyan sila
Punta na
maluwi
lang.
na ito. Tika mo ka na. Sana mo.
Para siyang buchi. Oh, na lang pa, oh. Buchi. Ako na lang mag-uubos. Para siyang buchi pala. Yung sa sa Chowking. Ito siya, oh. Pero sugary. Tapos may laman. Yan dapat yung bibilhin namin kanina, yung may ayun, binigyan din naman kami ng kaharap namin. So, thank you. Masarap siya. Okay? Bye. And thank you again sa kanila. Okay, bye. Thanks, salamat sa mga nabibigay ng pagkain sa akin. Okay, bye for now. Kami dito. Pupunta kami sa St. Joseph Cathedral. So, we're done.
Yeah.
Going back. Sa St. Joseph pala kami. Let's try ano yung nasa map. How can we go there? Walking distance lang siya. 800 meters. 11 minutes walk. Depende. Depende sa speed. Naibong di ko pa pag dual niya. Ano siya? You wanna try? Ako sure. Wait lang. Dere.
Patakasakay ng kapitaw, no?
Bitaw. Pilibliti pa kung tano daw. How much?
For Vivo 200 Vietnam đồng.
Okay naman, 100 na.
Ha?
Chờ chút nào gì?
200 for 4.
Chu ca.
Na,
Okay. Yeah,
okay. 50-50? Okay.
Okay.
Where's the other one?
2 minutes.
Wala ko sinsiyo, bayris ako ha.
Akin na isa. Ay!
So we'll ride here. So for the experience daw, 50,000 dong per person dito sa Old Quarter. If you would like, guys, galing kami ng Train Street. Pupunta kami sa Old Quarter. Hi, Pao! Nasa likod sila ni Cole. So, yun. Philippines.
Yes.
Okay rin naman na ma-experience natin yung mga culture nila here. Kuripot lang talaga ako. Pwede naman siya malakad, pero gusto nila i-try. Yeah. This is our driver. What's your name? Hope? Hope. Hi! Hello! Video ipod sila. Wow!
Nari yung video.
Dili man ipod?
Kapag video ka mo sa...
Landscape. Yeah, maganda din.
Đâu ơi?
Effort, grabe yung effort.
Có không? Có lấy con bé hay không?
Dyan sila. Hello, Philippines. Hello, Vietnam, Hanoi. Hello. Hello. So we're like so touristy here. I-try nyo to pala. I-try nyo to. 50,000 dong per head from Train Street going to St. Joseph Cathedral. Kung in peso, nasa 110 pesos. Okay na rin kasi nagbabike-bike. Alam mo na, mahirap din. Nag-effort talaga. Then, it's like, kabayo na lang yung kulang.
Oh, kaya na.
Yeah, kabayo na lang yung kalesa na lang. It's like kalesa.
My name.
My name? My name?
Van.
Van. Home. Oh. Name niya pala. Kaya akala niya nakalimutan ko. This is our driver, Sir Home. So, Home. We're going to St. Joseph. I think malapit na tayo kasi nakikita ko na yung building.
Yeah.
Okay, forward ko na yung camera.
Layo sa nila po.
Hospital to. This is hospital. Hospital nila. Then ambulance. Oh, dito pala liliko. Oh, we're almost it. Oh!
Hindi sila maundang.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a nice area. Maganda din, nabubulol na ako. Maganda din gamitin to. Like, mag-iikot ka dito sa old quarter. But itanong mo muna magkano. Para alam mo yung price before ka sasakay. Na, oh, hi, pip, 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 bleepy.
Okay.
Oh, we're here? We're here already? Ah, okay. There. We're here na. So, we are gonna go down. Wait, I'm gonna just stay here. 1, 2, 3. Another one. 1, 2, 3. Another one. 1, 2, 3. Me also. Thank you. Wait lang. We'll just pay. Sir Home. You have 100? You have 50-50? You have 100? No. Separate.
You have change?
Thank you so much. Thank you. So we're here. Nandito na kami. Thank you. So nandito na kami sa St. Joseph. Oh, ang sarap ng mango nila. Madaming kumakain sa labas. So this is the church. Isa sa mga pinupuntahan dito. The St. Joseph Cathedral. Tingnan nyo, madaming mga tourists yung nandito, right? Then, may mga street food here. Mga fruits, mango, something like that, or whatsoever. So, Pao is taking over as a photographer. She has the camera on her hand while I am doing the video. So, that's St. Joseph Cathedral.
Ara mo, picture mo. Photographer of the day.